knowing that someone cannot legally patent an invention that is not their own. Hey, good for you. You answered the question. Would posting an idea for an invention online be proof of origin if it's an original idea? Well, that's an interesting question. So proof of origin, there is it is not who invented it first who gets the patent. It actually is who files it first. So screw proof of origin, right? If that's your concern, I think what you're asking about is more, is it novel? Is it an original new idea? That will be determined by the examiner, right? And if you want to take a look before you leap, and otherwise before you spend a bunch of time and money hiring a professional to do the legal work of preparing an application, a patent search is super important. So posting an idea online will be a publication, right? That will be an initial publication where you're telling the world, hey, here's what I've done. And that will put that is a date, all right, where you now have up to a year to file a patent application with the US Patent and Trademark Office. That is a really nice, generous grace period. Some countries around the world do not allow it. So if you want to be more conservative, I think the best shot is to speak with an attorney first before you post anything online. Do some searching, take a look and see if there's really something valuable that could be worth worth holding off and getting at least a provisional file to lock in the priority date and then publishing and going live with your concept. Even if your goal is not to get a patent, let's say you know about something else that's out there, but it's not necessarily in the public view. Yes, you can just publish it, right? Just share it with the world, knowing you're not going to be able to have ownership of it because you're not the inventor. That's what's called a defensive publication. This is what's called that you're actively blocking some other entity from filing it on their own. So I think that if that's your goal, is to prevent anyone else from getting a patent on it, even someone who did invent it, that is a strategy to use. So
cool. Yeah, good answer.
That was good.